Hi guys, for today's video we are creating a natural shampoo using castle powder. I will be showing you the best method for creating a castle shampoo and how to get the maximum results with it. What you'll need is 2 cups of water, 3 to 4 tablespoons of castle powder, a muslin or a cheesecloth, and you can also use a blender. So to start off, you get your bowl and you put in 2 cups of water. Once you have put the water in the bowl, you will then grab your castle powder and put in 3 to 4 tablespoons. I would recommend putting in the tablespoons of castle powder gradually so that you can mix it well to avoid any clumps. There are many benefits of using castle powder on your hair. It is non-toxic and it does not contain any chemicals, unlike many popular shampoo brands. Using store-bought shampoo means that you don't have full control over what you use on your hair. Using castle not only helps to get and maintain a healthy scalp, but it also boosts hair growth within the hair follicle. Now that we've mixed it all in, it's looking really nice and thick, but just to avoid any clumps, because I can still see that I have a little bit of clumps here and there, I will be using a blender just to make sure that it gets really smooth and have a better experience with applying it on my hair. Now that you can see, with the blender, it's actually doubled the product. It's looking a lot more thick and soapy as well. So I'm really excited to use it this way because I know I'm going to have a better experience with it. So now what we will be doing is getting this all strained out to make sure that we don't have any bits in our shampoo. As you can see, when I open up the cloth, you can see a lot of bits that have been left behind. So now I know that this shampoo is basically ready and the wash day can begin. So the best way to apply castle is after conditioning your hair and also making sure that it's all detangled. So I just hopped in the shower, I used a deep conditioner, I made sure that whilst it was conditioning, I detangled my hair at the same time. And then once that's done, you have to make sure that the conditioner has been rinsed out. And you can see here I'm squeezing out all the water from the hair so that my hair is damp rather than dripping in water. Scalp care is essential for healthy hair growth. Using Castle not only helps to get and maintain a healthy scalp, but it also boosts hair growth within the hair follicle. Packed with countless essential vitamins and minerals, it can improve the overall health of your hair. It makes an incredible 2-in-1 shampoo and a conditioner, as after helping you to deep cleanse your scalp by removing all the dirt and excess oil, it also adds a natural sheen and makes your hair really soft, helping you through the tedious detangling process. Castle powder helps to nourish and soothe itchy and dry scalp by essentially destroying the bacteria that clogs your hair follicles. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties can help you reduce the risk of infections. You can replace your shampoo with Castle when you need a major scalp detox. It will naturally cleanse the scalp, it encourages hair growth, it helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp, it strengthens the hair from the root and reduces breakage, it adds shine and volume, and it helps to remove dandruff and helps to repair the hair damage. I can already see how it's like defining my curls, and I'm also like, wow, my hair's kind of grown a little bit. I'm a little bit gassed, can't even lie. But now that it's all over my hair, it is time to rinse it out. Now that it's been rinsed all out, my hair feels really clean. It doesn't feel dry. It just feels really healthy. I'm really loving the results of my hair. The volume is giving, the definition is giving. This is what I want my hair to look like after a good wash day. Feeling very confident with the health of my hair now because of the Castle shampoo. I know that by using that as a shampoo, I've done my hair some justice and I've given it the nutrient that it needs. And I would definitely recommend this to any and everyone who is looking for a natural alternative for shampoos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!